Hey everyone, and welcome to my journey outside in the pouring, no well it's not actually pouring rain, it's spitting rain at the minute, but it will end up being pouring. I'm on my way to the parents, so I'm going to show you some sights, like some things you might not think the UK's got, or oh I didn't know the UK had that kind of stuff, or Scotland anyway. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. A sales place, car sales place, aka as we all know as 1 second, swimming for yees. Arnold Clark. I'll try to get a bigger picture for you. There we go. Because it's raining. There we go. Because it's raining, it's not letting my day's screen out and in fast enough. The UK's biggest used car deals guaranteed. And as I say, it's raining. I have got a hood. It's tucked in though. It's part of my hoodie I'm wearing. And there's my hood right there, but I think I would look stupid with my hood up. Actually no, I don't care, the rain's getting worse, but I've got my hood up now. I'm going to tuck this here in my hood. You'll probably say to me, why are you not getting the bus then, if that's going in the same direction as you? Easy, I've not got the money for the bus. And anyway, it's only like a 40-minute walk, 45-minute walk at the most. Or if I go slow enough, 50-minute walk, it's slow. Charge. I think that's maybe for the power one, not power cars maybe. Say the petrols. We buy cars too. Buying cars since 1954. Got his music on. And just with that lights were gone, I'm going to press the button just for the sake of it. There we go. And walk away. There's some traffic lights, but I'm not going to them. I'm just going to go straight ahead. I don't want to turn down. I'm not turning down that way. Just come back up this bit. There's the next town I'm in, Netherton. From this stop here, literally right here and all that, it's a different town. See, we've got a button there again, and we've got the exact same button right here. That lights up, and that lights up. Same buttons. In case somebody's at each side or something, that's why you can press it. Over there, we've got a gambling place, Ladbrokes. Then we've got the Cherry Tree pub over there. We've got our cars coming this way. There's a dog here, there, man, walking his dog. The man's got the same colour as his dog, look. His coat, the dog's brown, the guy's coat's brown. The Cherry Tree, Ladbrokes. Great place for live sports and entertainment and bar meals. And over there, that building right there, it's a care home it is, for elderly people. And as always, because I can zoom in and out. Netherton Court Care Home. A fuse plug up there on the lamppost. That's like for Christmas decorations to go up and get plugged into. A wee island. That's why you can see all this. We've got some open wilderness a wee bit here. Then we've got some factories right there. We have. Then you can see the care home right there. Then we've got a bus shelter. And there's all the timetables of the buses. Well, the buses that come to this one. Them. Then there's them. And nothing on that side. See? That tree. Whoa, I have tripped over that wee stump but there. I was looking at the camera, looking through the camera, and I wasn't looking where I was gone. And I nearly fell into it. The Royal Mail. Yellow car. In the UK when we were younger, used to play a game called Yellow Car. If you see a yellow car, the person next to you, you hit them. Just like tap them on the leg or hit them in the arm or that and just say yellow car. I don't know if anybody actually plays that anywhere, but it was fun back in the day. You see your guy that hit them, yellow car. But it was interesting, it was. And there's houses now, right next to the care home. There's another street over there it is. Not another town, there's another street. So that was my favourite there. Aye, hiya to you too. I don't know who that was that peeped at me, but when I was younger, if somebody peeped at me, I used to stick up the fingers to them. I usually did. But no, I don't stick fingers up to them at all. In case it's somebody actually knows me. I don't actually stick fingers up to people who knows me. That is rude. That sign's not working. It should be lit up saying slow down. You won't be able to see it yet. I'll get it out. See? Slow down. Lights should be on in it. See what time it is. A house of now, well, I didn't make you switch cameras and everything. But it's only spitting, there's not much of the rain, but it was a second ago. But aye. Can't wait to get into my parents' house. Get a hot cup of tea in me. Again, the same factories. My dad works over there somewhere, the Royal Mail. I doubt, there it's there, the Royal Mail. I don't know if you can see it. That red van over there is the Royal Mail. And you can see that red sign. Well, where's my finger on the camera because the camera's zoomed in. That red sign right there. Aye. That red sign you can see. I'll try zooming more for you maybe. That red sign there. That's the Royal Mail building. And that's where my father works. AKA Dad, Father, Father. It's like in America, he's got all different names like Ma, Pa, Mom, Mommy, and all that. We've got kind of the same names as that for up here. It's like Ma, M-A-W, Ma, Da, Mum, Dad, Mummy, Daddy, or Old Man, or Oh You. Aww, just got that dog wrapped up. Keep the dog warm. Even the dog's got fur, but still. Yep, light's been pressed. So I don't have to press it, everyone. Look at all that trees with baby leaves on it. See the leaves coming off the branches or that. The leaves is coming off the trees itself. If I'm quick enough to get into this street here, I might see my father. Or I might drive past maybe people's on at me maybe, but we'll be just leaving my mum's house now. Car just got splashed there. Glad I didn't get splashed. Now the popo, the police, the popo, the police, the pigs, or they're using England, but I don't hear in Scotland. I don't. I've always heard it on YouTube videos from Americans who UK people told them, or videos they've seen, call them bobbies. I don't know why they're called bobbies, but probably just a nickname they use for it, the police. All mechanical stuff in here, tractors and all that, and crime things. Some more houses. And over there some shops, over there, and some chippies, some Indians and Chinese, I'm guessing over there too. Wow, that wee lorry's pulling this big lorry. The Royal Mail van, wow, it's broken down. Because he's going to the Royal Mail building, I'll show you in the camera. Aye, thank you for splashing me. But it never actually got me, but it's tried to splash me. This is the corner here. My dad would drive round it with to get to his work. I'm saying I'll probably see him if he's not already drove through already. Like for me it's a 45-minute walk. For him in car it's like only a 2-minute to 3-minute drive, I think. If I see him, you'll know I'll see him, I'll probably do that, wave to him or something. And over there, it's a pizza place. Then something called Nook Me. That's short down it is. There's a hair place over there. Then Roll Meat Roll, takeaway and cafe. Then the local grocery stores. It says Morrison's Daily. That used to be called Bobby's. It was. Then Today's Express. No, that's not my dad, it's not in the red car. Is that in this car maybe? Nah, it's a woman. In caravans. If I don't see him on my way, it means he's already passed, he has. I've not noticed. Not less there. I think there's another way in, I think. but I think theirs is probably that way. Any red car like this colour red car coming towards us could be him. Is it him? Nah, there's something like, it's no guy. It's not my dad though, it's no. And like houses over here, but there's another Royal Mail lorry. Got all these old houses. People do live in them, they do. There's an old car for you. A very old car, like from the 80s or something, or the early 90s. 3 cars for that house. Might not be the same person though, could be other people. Then they've got a van. That's 2 cars for sale. Then there's like newer houses over there. Yeah, I can tell it's raining. People have got their hoods up. A Royal Mail van. Maybe I should do one of these videos and no actually talk. Nah. He says every dead car, I'll check see if that's him or no, but I doubt it. That could be him, is it? Aye, it is. That's him right there. He never saw me. Gah. I waved and all, you didn't even see me. Tut, tut, tut. Patrol. School crossing. An adult and a child. That means there's a school coming up. They look like bought houses, like people who's bought, like rich people. They do. And once I get in once I get my motors, I'll phone my dad, another Royal Mail. Phone my dad, see if he saw me, but I'll just wait till he comes in at night when he takes me home. I'll ask him then, did he see me? If he says no, then we'll look, I saw you, and show him the video. There's 20 when lights flash, so there's the school there. It's not just that white building is the school, the brown one connected to it is the school itself. I'm guessing that white building's probably the canteen maybe, or the cafeteria maybe, whatever it is. I never went to that school, so I don't know. I'll show you my old primary school when I get to it. And this is a dedicated chair. Who died 2014, she did. 81, she was a year older than me. I know that name, Leslie Scott, but I can't think who she is. Maybe she could sit in that and have a rest and stuff. People in the car waiting for the skills to come out for lunch maybe, or maybe waiting for 2 hours so the skill finishes at 3. If it is 2 hours, they've got, well, 2 hours and 20 minutes, they've got a long time to wait. There's a Methodist church. We've got a cross over there with ribbons on it. And yep, I'm going to zoom in for you. There it's there. And that place has got half its letters missing. Oh, and missed that puddle there. Over there, you see the cross now, no the big white one, the yellow one now. Two sides, road closed here. It's a church. But is that road only open on Sundays? I'm guessing people have probably got a habit of parking their cars in there maybe. A car park or that. A&S Computers. All fancier houses. Mostly for rich people. A wee Mini Cooper. Whoops, near a taxi. There's another Mini. See, nearly walked right into a taxi there. That's because I don't watch when I'm gone. There's another road sign, 30. And obviously you should know what that is. Drive 30 miles an hour. Obviously. And as always, another factory place. It might not be a factory though, it looks like a factory, it does. But still. That old woman's getting a bus. Well, so that young guy. And I'm not. So I've got the money. My dad gave me money for electricity, so I go that for the shops. But I never asked him for money for a taxi or money for a bus, I never asked him for that. So, yeah. The bin lorry. But that's why, if I got a taxi or a bus, I couldn't do this video for you. Lanarkshire Staves or Staves. .266. And you see the lights flashing. The right on the bus, no actually flashing, it's not. It's because of the camera. Overtown. I'm heading to Overtown, but I'm not going to Overtown. This is General Hospital, A&E, down that way. I'm not going that way, I'm going straight on, then down. Overtown is down and up. It is. Oh look. Traffic lights. I'm going to wait till this cab beside me goes away before I press it. There we go. Press the button. You can tell I like pressing buttons, can't you? If a police had to see this video, I could get arrested. Pressing the buttons like that's illegal. Stopping cars for no reason. Yeah, we've got a roundabout there. Because of that, I've stopped all that traffic there. No, I thought maybe to give me enough time to close here. I'm going off that, I'm trying to get across the road. So for that I need to go down a bit, I don't like doing this. Going down to have to go back up. Right, flash a minute. Cars are empty that way, coming up a wee bit. Maybe I can make it now. Aye, I can. Go, 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 go. See, bus and that coming, and there's that there coming that way. I don't know if that lorry's going straight on or is it turning down. Let me check. It's going straight on. Seeker, that JW Carpets over there. 1 second. That JW Carpets used to be the Iron Brew factory. It used to be. Back in the early 90s, late 80s. The Iron Brew factory. Iron Brew is made from girders. post reference. And cars are all stopped. For some reason, not because of me this time, but because of the roundabout. But electricity boxes, see, 230 watt. Aye, that's like saying 230 watt. Shocking, isn't it? Still windies, I'm guessing it is. Their windows, or solar panels actually, I think they are. They're solar panels. I thought they were windows, but closer look at them now. The solar panels over there. There the police again. Go for snacks. The place has been shut down for ages. Smells of nail polish. See? It's been shut down for ages. They're right next to it. It's another car sale place. But recently opened the last few years ago. It used to be a garage to fix cars. Now they just sell cars. Hi, well yeah, put the horn, but aye. Flooring, PT Flooring Scotland Ltd, Scottish Ambulance Service. They're in to get fixed, the ambulances. Scott McFall, Accident Repair and Co. Every car here is probably in to get fixed. An ambulance there, and the ambulance are there. All these medical cars. See, accident repair centre. So we've got an ambulance there, a mini ambulance. We've got a big ambulance and we've got another mini ambulance over there. Probably we'll just need some tuning up or something with the tyres or maybe the engine or that. Wow, that one's been in a crash. Whoa. Shower Borders Scotland. Order online at Google. Cabbage Patch Nursery. I'm not going to show the nursery on that. I've got some decency. Welcome Sealka Wishy. Look at this giant puddle. From there, right over there. I'll have to figure out a crossing. Not across the road, but across this puddle. They're getting splashed. If there's a silver car, I'm going for it. Right, there's a few things coming, but running on the road, so I don't get sprayed. There. See, the big puddle. Oh, this is a death warrant here. Puddles and cars kind of splashing you and stuff. Get them past the big splashes. Double decker. But if you ever wanted to hear me swearing, there's a double decker coming. As I was saying, if you ever wanted to hear me swearing, just wait till a car splashes me. You would hear me swearing. A car splashed me. Stewton Memorial Place. Wow. good job that car missed me. I'd have gone ape crap on it. Don't you even dare. See, they sell gravestones in there. I need to do this now. If they soak me, I can report them. Because it's kind of against the law. If you see somebody and you go into a puddle, just splash them, you can get done for it. And it's always easy if you have them on camera. That is. Nearly there. There's been 30 minutes since I started this camera, but because I was 10-15 minutes away. Otherwise, after I left my house, and I've started this like outside my house. Another fireworks. I doubt the place actually sells fireworks now. See, the doors are all boarded up. You can get in that way, but there's different things in there. How would you like to live with somebody like this? With puddles everywhere and that. And as you can see, look, I'm drenched with rain. I'm not drenched by getting splashes. Oh, the car stopped. I'm not drenched by getting splashes of that. I'm just drenched because it's rain. Paving, jointing, motor. The big billboards. You can do it. It's right here, Prime Video. G4 claims hire, G4 hire, G4 marketing. Patrol, there's a school down that way. The school down there, down that way, is the school I went to as a child. Forest Group, development site, land, to rear, all inquiries. Means that bit there, you can all buy that land, you can. And who is it from the group who's DM'd me? Let me check. Nick, Yako. In 32 minutes. Oh, Nick, Yako again. For a minute, I'm texting you, Yako. I'm letting you know if you watch this, I'm texting you. There we go. And I'll keep walking again. I stopped walking, I was typing. United Maxis, that's a taxi company. The taxis are not there, they're not in there. That's just a billboard sign for them. There's a roundabout there on the road. Just part of the road being painted with a circle. That's a roundabout. See, up there, it's Overtown. You seen that sign? But I'm going down this way. Wishaw, a fair trade town. Shopping with respect. I'm crossing it near Sweet Island. Then I'll wait till this van passes. And this car. That's you just messaged again, Nick, saying, awesome, you need to check it out. Another giant puddle. In the tunnel, it gives you echoes when you talk, like this. Echo. I checked if anybody behind me, I did. If it wasn't raining, I would head up that way I would if it wasn't raining. Because that's through a park and all that muck until near the top of it, then it's pavement. I wouldn't want my shoes getting dirty or my feet getting as much soggy as it is the news. It's soggy, I've told my sock. Got right there. Train! Right, as I was saying, you got a wee tiny fright there. I wasn't expecting a train to come. Some flats. I knew I lost my train of thought what I was saying. Probably about didn't that's it. My shoes, my feet is already wet. Yeah, because of the rain and that. But if I went up that park, I'd have blisters or something on my feet because of the rain. Bins. Somebody's been painting on that wall. Indian Cottage. There's a food place. You won't actually see my school, maybe. You might see it a wee bit, but you won't see it much. The chapel. It's not a church, it's a chapel. It's the difference. And I just walked into a puddle. You know, my feet is even wetter. What the hell is that? Whoever else just joined into the wire. That's the chapel I went to when I was at primary school. It's named after my primary school, exact same name. St Thomas's Bishop. But I went to St Thomas's Primary. That's St Thomas's Chapel. Nava Store, custom car parks. £1.65 to use this machine. Ridiculous. They charge you to use a bank machine, or as you would call it, an ATM machine. That's a closed donation bank. You get the clothes, push that forward, Hank. No duvets or pillows and sealed bags, please, right? You do that, Hank, or maybe you open it there and stuff. Ooh, button. Press. That's where I'm going over there. And where the houses are, I've zoomed in still, just through that wee crack bit there, between that house and the new houses. That's where the primary school is, just through that wee crack. And that's where I went to school, down there. From here to my mum's house, as a kid, it's a 10-minute walk it was. I used to come from that way, over there. Walk over along, past the wee shops over there. And go down that up into the school through that wee bit. But I'm going this way because I came this way, so houses. That used to be a pub. I hear loud music. What if it's this car coming behind me here? Nah. I had loud music, kind of thing, like vibrations in music. That's how I looked round. As a kid, I used to climb this. I'm not going to do it now, but I'm not. But as a kid, you put your feet there, put your hand up there or something, and just try to find parts of the wall to climb up to the top of the shed. See, his car places, car sheds. For that cars turning in. And there's the chapel again. A different entrance to the chapel. So I could have cut right through the chapel for years, but I decided to go the long way just to show you where my school was. Taxi driver must be in for his lunch. Sunnock Street. The street I'm in now is Tab Avenue. My mum doesn't say anywhere near here, I don't know. She says further up. Way further up. Taxi driver stays there in that taxi. Book a taxi, I should get out and come back out. I'll shut his door. Can I get a taxi please? 4 different bins for 4 different stuff. There's one for recycling, one for normal bin, one for gardening and that, one for plastics I think or something. That's what the council gives us in the UK, 4 different bins to use. I don't know if all of the UK uses it or not, but I know Scotland uses them. Well, down this way in Scotland, but I don't know if they use it high up in Scotland, the Highlands or anything. Even though I've been to Inverness a lot. Try to think. No, they've got big industrial bin things. They have, but I don't know if normal houses have them. I think they've had. And like 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 7 or 8 at the most kind of thing, that's a playground. But it was built about 7 or 8 years ago, I think. Because with that school over there, there's no my school, because say my school's down there, but with that school there, I always felt like when I was younger, I was closer in where that park is. As a kid. So when they built all that park, I was thinking to myself, they must have moved the school. How did they do that? They must have been doing some buildings or something. I've never noticed that park being that big. Because all that things and all that playground stuff used to be over there in the park, the actual park. Oh, I wonder what that was. Wind chimes. Flowers hanging. Well, I'm not going over here, I'm crossing the road. Peter Park. I don't like this place because it's not actually Peter Park. It's the new Peter Park, but it's not the Peter Park as I grew up with. It says my Peter Park's over there. Ugh. Energy boxes. I was going to say I should phone my mum to her put the kettle on for me. But if I do that, the camera would cut off, then I would have to start another video. So I won't bother. Up there's a pigeon. I caught it flying away. Probably knew I was videoing that, that's why. This is a different town again. Well, a town in, this is Peather. Like I says, the van I come from Muirhouse, then I showed you me getting into Netherton. I did. Now, this is Peather. This whole area I'm in. And with my primary school, as I showed you, that's Caledonian Road. There's Sloy Street. Oh, aye. So that's kind of mostly it, this is. At the minute we have 45 minutes. And we're waiting on a call from my mum. Where are you? Sort of thing. But she should be patient. Rocks on the road. There's a taxi. TXY taxi. Even though taxi spelled me TAXI, the TXY for short. Caron Street. A little info for yous about where I am now. All of Peatha, except for one road, is named after the Highlands of Scotland. And is named after lakes. Because like that's Caron Street, that's named after Loch Caron. That's Sloy Street, that's after Loch Sloy. And Sonnock Street, Loch Sonnock. And over this street over here I'm heading up to is Rannoch Drive. It's a Loch Rannoch. A Loch Rannoch, aye. That's an interesting fact for yous. Then you'll see the road I'm heading into after I leave this Rannoch Drive. So over there we've got a hairstyling place, a post office, and a shop, and a post box. 4 bins again. Green grass, green grass. Motorbikes over there, wow. There, that house there used to be where my gran lived. Even somebody else lives there now because my gran passed away in 1994 or that. I still call that my gran's house. So there's a lot of people who knew my gran call it, that's my gran's name. My gran's name is like Jane Rooney. And because of that, people just say that's Jane's house, Jane Rooney's house. People say that even though she doesn't live there anymore. As you can see, I've turned the corner, I'm in Rannoch Drive now, aka Loch Rannoch. So it's named after locks. And I'm not going to this street, I'm not, because I'm going anywhere near it. But there's a street called Ness Street. And as you can put it, up in the Highlands, Loch Ness, aka Inverness. So that's where the Loch Ness monster stays, up in Loch Ness. A lot of glass windows. The door must be getting their house decorated. See, most of these houses, just about this area, up that area too, it's made with wood. But the rest of the houses I've showed you, it's made with stone or brick. See the houses over there, far end, the white ones, they're made of stone. So I think it's just this part of the area, everyone. Put my little faces. I think it's just this area is filled with wood. So it'd be stupid to set the houses on fire, it would be easy. But who would want to do that, yeah? Set these houses on fire only because they made of wood. But that's a stupid thing to have a house made of wood. So I'll just huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. And there's a wee caravan over there. I think my camera's got all fogged up, I think, 1 minute. There we go, aye it was. This is Lomond Drive I'm in now. It says Loch Lomond Drive. And see, wooden house, and we're going on to stone house. No, actually stone house. Stone house is an actual place in Scotland today, but like houses made of stone. See, you can get puns after that. There's somebody out in their jammies over there. Walking up, there's Etolf Street, Loch Etolf. You can actually Google them, like Loch Etolf, Loch Lomond, Loch Rannoch, Loch Sloy, Loch Carron and that. You can actually Google them and actually find out they're actual real places. If you don't believe me, houses over there past the railway line over there. Because it's Etolf Street, so Loch Etolf. So one more street, and that's me in for the day, my parents' house. And I'm still waiting on a call from my wall. Where are you? Even though I'm in here, I'm puffed out, you can hear my voice. Look at this pattern on this window. Must have a wheelchair. There's a wheelchair ramp. Again, 4 bins. Yes, I don't know if you know this sign or not, everyone. The T. That's like a T junction, it is. Over there's the T junction, up that way, and the dead end, cul-de-sac. There. And up all that way is Lomond Drive still. But round here where I'm going is Linley Crescent. And this would be under, you guessed it, Loch Crescent. Loch Linney, I mean. Loch Crescent. Loch Linney. It would be under. And my parents' house is at this side of the road. Bus stop, and there's a bus coming and all. How ironic. See? There's a bus. No, I don't know the person. We can ask. Let's see, off the bus. I think she was chatting the driver up. I'm going to say it loud. I think she was chatting the driver up. And she heard me. That's the bus that comes to my parents' house. This one. That one, just to go the way I came. I went the back road, because that's where I stay, is the back road. The front road, that comes down the Craignook area. I come from Muirhouse and Netherton. See? I'm nearly there. Just imagine, like I say, I've been on a call from my mum. Imagine she phoned me right here. I hanged her up. She kept trying to phone me. I hung her up again. She's angry at me. Then I walk in the door. Can't wait to get my shoes off. My socks have ridden up. And then my feet are starting to hurt. Banisters. And that's me at my parents' house. This big hedge is my parents', but as I showed you the pictures, fire extinguisher, No, fire hydrant, sorry. Fire hydrant. Can I use from talking Indian or that? Right everyone, thanks for watching, I'll see you after. Bye.